Look, everyone, I bought this boat.
And I booked a hotel on Moon Island. Let's have a great summer holiday. Wow, this boat is very big. Our trip will be very fun.
Woohoo! All right, let's go.
This sail is very big. It looks amazing. This seabird is very noisy. I am up to the bridge with my dad. Ooh. Dad, you drive the boat very well. You are a great captain.
Thanks, buddy. Let's keep sailing.
Oh no, I feel very sick. I want to throw up.
Ellie, you have seasickness. Please sit down and rest for a while.
Oh no, Ely! A storm is coming! Mama!
Come quickly! We must go under the deck and stay safe!
What is happening? Why does the boat shake?
Hold tight, Ben. We are in a big storm.
Ah!
Stay with Ely. Ben and I will handle the boat.
Okay, be careful.
Mom, I feel very sick again.
Stay strong, Ely. Everything will be okay.
Ben, hold the wheel. The waves are very strong.
Yes, Dad. I will hold it. We must save the boat.
Ben, wake up. The storm is over. We are safe now.
Come with me, Ben. Let us check Mom and Ely.
Wake up. Are you both okay? I am a little
Tired, but I am okay. I feel better now. I do not have seasickness.
That is very good news. Come, everyone. Let us go up.
Oh my God!
Where are we?
Oh, what is happening? Are we lost? Oh.
This island looks strange. It is not on the map. We are lost on a wild island.
Mom and Dad, what will we do now? Are we going to live like monkeys?
Do not worry, my children. Someone will come to help us soon.
Mom also has some food on the boat.
I will catch fish for you. Now let's go down and explore this island.
Lenny! Luna!
Let us walk and see this island.
This place has many trees. It is very dense here.
Look over there. There are many coconuts. Stand back to be safe. Okay. I will get some coconuts.
The coconuts fall down.
Awesome. Dad is very great. Yum. This coconut water is so sweet.
Let us walk more and explore the island.
Look, there is a cave here. Is there a bear inside?
I don't think so. Let's go inside and see.
Yeah, let's go in. It is so dark in here. There is nothing special in here. There is light ahead. That is the exit.
I can hear the waves. Okay, let's go.
Wow. This place is so beautiful.
It is like a picture. It is so peaceful. I think we should go down.
Ma?
Mom thinks so too. Let's go. Let's go.
This island has many trees. There is nothing else here.
It's getting dark. We need prepare dinner now.
Dad will go to catch some fish.
We will collect some firewood.
Okay, let's go.
We can eat this meat today, and we will keep the rest for later. Maybe we stay here for many days.
I hope this spear helps me catch many fish. Oh, I almost got it.
Ellie, what will we do if we stay on this island forever? Do not worry, Ben. Sea police will find us. They will come to look for us.
Yes, I hope it.
There is a big fish. I will aim carefully. Yes! That is great!
Ely, I find a piece of wood. No, Ben. Get dry wood. It burns better. This wood is wet.
Wow, Ely. You are very smart.
I have my moments.
Okay, Ben. Let us keep walking. We should have some vegetables, too. I will pick some vegetables.
Ely, I hear something in the bushes. Oh, do you think a bear will come and catch us? Do not worry, Ben. I am here.
It is Mom.
Mom, you scared me. I thought you were a bear.
It is okay, my little ones.
I think this firewood is enough. Let us go back.
Wow, this fish is very delicious. This fish is very fresh. Dad caught these fish.
Wow! Dad is amazing.
Enjoy the fish, kids. Eat well.
This is a very special holiday.
Are you bored here?
No, we love it here. We can explore the island. And we can watch the stars. It was a busy day. Let's go to sleep and rest. Yes, Mom. Yes, Mom.
Good night, kids. Have sweet dreams.
Good night, Mom. Ooh.
Wake up, everyone!
Look, look. The sunrise is beautiful. Everyone, look! There is a ship far away! We are here! Help us! We are here! Help us! They are coming!
Thank you for helping us.
Welcome aboard. We will take you back to the land.
Yeah!
Let's go home!
Go home! Go home! Go home! Yeah! Did you enjoy our family trip? If you did, please like and subscribe to see what happens next. Bye-bye!